Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to increase the font size on Google Maps. Let's get started. First, keep in mind that Google Maps doesn't have built-in font size settings. This means you can't change the font size directly from the app or website. However, there's a workaround. By increasing your phone's overall font size, you can make text appear larger in Google Maps as well. Here's how to do it. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This might vary depending on your device. Next, scroll down and select Font Size. You'll see a slider along with a font size preview. To increase the font size, drag the slider to the right. You'll notice the text getting bigger in the preview section. Once you've adjusted the font size, the changes will appear system-wide, including in Google Maps. Now open Google Maps again and you'll see the font has increased in size. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.